In the world of off-road vehicles, few creations truly push the boundaries of what's possible. The Ineos Grenadier Kaiju is one such vehicle, a one-off, custom-built version of the already rugged Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster that takes off-roading to a whole new level. Named after the Japanese word for giant creature or monster, the Kaiju was designed as a promotional vehicle specifically for the Australian market. This extraordinary pickup truck is more than just a showpiece, it's an over-the-top off-road machine equipped with some of the most advanced accessories available for tackling even the most brutal terrains. While the Ineos Grenadier Kaiju won't be available for sale, it represents the epitome of off-road capability and ingenuity. Built to showcase the Grenadier Quartermaster's potential, the Kaiju version brings this tough, Defender-inspired vehicle to new heights. Whether you're a serious off-road enthusiast or just someone interested in what makes this vehicle so special, the Kaiju is a project that deserves close inspection. At its core, the Grenadier Kaiju is based on the Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster, a 4x4 vehicle already known for its rugged design and versatility. But the Kaiju takes this already formidable platform and adds layers of customization and performance-enhancing accessories. Ineos collaborated with some of the best 4x4 accessory suppliers to transform the Grenadier into a pickup that's ready to conquer any challenge in its path. One of the standout features of the Kaiju is its custom-designed tray and canopy, built by Norwell from lightweight yet durable aluminum. Not only does this setup provide a tough exterior, but it's also fully functional for extended off-grid adventures. The tray features a 40-liter water tank, a 1,200mm trundle drawer with a drop-in table, and a 2-pack paint finish that ensures resistance to the harshest elements. The addition of a 130-liter Bushman fridge allows for optimal food and drink storage during long trips, making the Kaiju the perfect companion for remote explorations. Under the hood, the Kaiju benefits from a series of modifications that make it an absolute powerhouse. Thanks to a collaboration with Red Arc, the truck features a 2000W inverter and a 150Ah lithium battery capable of over 5,000 cycles, ensuring the Kaiju can provide power for a range of tools, gadgets, and off-grid equipment. This makes the Kaiju not just a vehicle for transportation but a mobile energy hub that can support extended periods of outdoor use. The suspension system is another area where the Kaiju excels. JMAX contributed remote reservoir electric shocks with 16 stages of adjustment, providing a highly customizable ride. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or cruising over sand dunes, this suspension system offers the perfect balance between comfort and durability, ensuring the vehicle can handle the toughest conditions. For beach and desert recovery, the Kaiju is equipped with MaxTrax's Beach Recovery Kit, a must-have for getting out of sticky situations. Additionally, Steedy has enhanced the vehicle's lighting system, including a 4-inch flood beam, 4-inch spot beam, and a 7.5-inch work light, providing maximum visibility when night falls or when driving through dense fog. No off-road vehicle would be complete without the proper protection, and the Ineos Grenadier Kaiju doesn't disappoint. Fitted with a bull bar, rock sliders, and checker plates, the Kaiju is built to take on even the most unforgiving obstacles. The addition of a snorkel allows the vehicle to tackle deep water crossings, while an auxiliary battery ensures that the electrical system remains functional even in extreme conditions. 17-inch steel wheels round off the Kaiju's tough, no-nonsense look, making this a truck that's ready for anything the wilderness can throw its way. The Kaiju also includes a functional access ladder at the rear, adding to its rugged design and making it easier to access the cargo area. Despite its jaw-dropping list of upgrades, the Grenadier Kaiju still retains the versatility and practicality of the original Quartermaster platform. Known for being a blank canvas, the Grenadier platform allows for extensive customization, and the Kaiju version takes this to the extreme. Combining cutting-edge accessories with the inherent toughness of the Grenadier, the Kaiju is a true off-road masterpiece that's as functional as it is formidable. Though the Kaiju is a one-off creation, many of the parts used in its build are available for purchase from the original accessory suppliers, such as Steedy, Norwell, and others. What makes this even more enticing is that Ineos offers factory-backed warranties on these aftermarket accessories, allowing Grenadier owners to customize their vehicles with confidence. The Ineos Grenadier Kaiju is more than just a marketing tool, it's a bold statement of what this iconic off-road vehicle can become when pushed to its limits. As Justin Hosbar, Ineos Automotive's regional director, explains, the Kaiju is the culmination of Ineos' Australian vision of built for more. This one-off project not only demonstrates the incredible potential of the Grenadier but also sets the stage for future off-road builds that could redefine the limits of adventure-ready vehicles. While the Kaiju may remain a one-off, its influence will likely shape the future of Ineos Grenadier models and further cement the brand's reputation for delivering vehicles that are truly built to handle any terrain.